Hey Ruby, this is Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. Thanks for watching this video. In this quick video, I'm just going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. There's a lot of business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business and they're just taking care of their customers. They don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by just making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still tend to raise their hand saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you with this, just give me a call and we can chat. But if you want to do this yourself, that's okay. This is free education with no strings attached. All I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Now, first thing I want to start before I get into the content, something's up with your Google My Business listing. If you go to JR1 commercial cleaning service, for some reason you're going to some web photography place and it's not secure. Like, I kind of took a risk getting to it, but I wanted to see what was going on. No idea what's going on here, but that's what's linked up to here. So you might want to look into that. But I did find your website over here on page 3, which is weird that you're ranked number 3 for your own name. Here nor there, content is whatever's on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that you search into Google to find your business. So for you, it'd be like commercial cleaning in Dallas and stuff like that. Now, you want to have 1,500, 2,000 words on your front page for Google to consider you an authority, and that includes all the text that you read as well as whatever images you have and whatever images are saved as. So I like the look of your website. It's a really great looking website as far as like the pictures and stuff. Very well designed. The design is really nice. Your content, Google wants you to have about 1,500 words. It looks like you have probably like 200 to 300. So you're definitely going to want to boost that up. DallasMaids.com, they've got about 1,000 words, and 2 Maids Dallas has about 700 words. So you want to be above those guys. So that's my first recommendation for you guys, is to make sure you're getting more content than those guys. Now, the next thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be citations. Backlinks. Google's kind of like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website, in turn powering your website. And you get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you, because you're not a pizza company, and Google knows this. I use a tool to check it out. It's called Ahrefs. Costs about $1,000 a month. It gives you really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. It says you have one website linking to you. Your main competitors, Dallas Maids, they have 244 websites linking to them, and 2 Maids Dallas has 54 websites linking to them. Now, you don't have to go after the full. You can do about 10 links a day, and Google won't bother you. So you can beat these guys in a week, and you can beat these guys in a month. And the best way to do it is to go figure out what links these guys have and go get them for yourself. Like house cleaning, maid service, house cleaning, cleaning house, all this stuff. Those would all be really good links for you to get. And another cool thing, too, is if you look at these guys, they only have 54 links. You don't have to go for the big kahuna right away. If you go out and beat these guys, they have 635 people going to their website a month. That's a lot, That's something you'd want to get. I understand that you're a commercial cleaner. This concept works for commercial cleaning as well. Same type of keywords and stuff like that. Last thing I'll talk about is citations. When someone types in cleaning service Dallas and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning service that shows up. You obviously want to be that cleaning service. Those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads because they have ad blockers, and there's also a large group of people who have had bad experiences. So the best place to rank yourself is in the Google My Business section. And just to get here, you need more citations than your competitors. Citations are wherever your name, address, and phone number are listed in different directories across the web. Directories being like Yelp and Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. The best strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in. List yourself in those exact same directories, but then add a bunch more on top. The more the merrier. That's all I've got for you, Ruby. I hope you found this informative. What I went over was content. You're going to want to have about 1,500, 2,000 words on your front page. Backlinks, you can see what links your competitors have. Go get those exact same good ones, and you can just copy competitor after competitor. And then citations, go figure out what directories the top competitors are in. List yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. Ruby, if you want to do this yourself, this is free education, no strings attached. All I ask is give me a couple words of feedback in response to this video to help me make these videos better. And if you want me to help you power your website, just give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Thanks so much for watching.